You don't get what you wish for. You get what you become in the process. Hi there, my friend. My name is Errol, a family man just like you. And I heard this wonderful little saying by Napoleon Hill. Not a saying, but it's more like a daily motivational video slash audio slash course, whatever you want to call it. And he says there that it's the person that you become in the process. So you do not merely get what you wish for. You get what you become. And it is so true. Remember, your outer world, your income, your love life, your happiness, your health, your everything, my friend, is a reflection of what's going on the inside. And what I'm doing right now is I help stressed out, overworked, exhausted parents not miss life again by sharing a proven to work step-by-step or beginner-friendly blueprint that can assist you in making more money. Now, why do I do that? Because it's the person that you need to become, the information, the knowledge that you need to go through, the courses, the training, in order to get you to where you want to be. This is where you are now. This is where you want to be. Now you got to start connecting the dots. You can actually only connect the dots looking backwards, but growing, once you gain the knowledge and you apply the knowledge, that's when you start growing. And then you can connect the dots looking backwards. So if you want to know more about this, how I managed to build a multi-figure business from the comfort of my own home, around my family, working about 2 hours a day, and I do this in my spare time, still working a day job, believe it or not. That's what's possible. It's called the lifestyle business, making use of attraction marketing. If you want to know more, number one is give this video a like, and number two, put yes in the comments for more information.